For today's recipe, we're going to do another pasta dish that is quick and easy, pasta with breadcrumbs, which can be the main entree, or just a side dish.
Just watch this episode.
Hi, this is Connie, with another tasty pasta dish that your gang will enjoy.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
We'll give the list of ingredients later in the episode.
But pause the video and feel free to make notes.
We're starting by adding extra virgin olive oil enough to cover the bottom of a preheated non-stick pan, over low-medium heat.
Remember to start your pasta water early. You'll need pasta water soon for the Pangrattato.
Next, add 10 anchovy fillets that have been chopped into quarter-inch pieces. Heat the anchovies to the point that they appear to have melted. Then add a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake. You can use either seafood bouillon or fish sauce. Add a tablespoon of it to the pan and blend it in. Next comes 6 good-sized cloves of fresh garlic that have been finely chopped. It's important that the heat setting is low so that the garlic lightly browns, but does not burn. Add 1 cup of dried breadcrumbs. You'll know when they're right when they change color to a golden brown. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 egg yolks. If you can, warm the bowl slightly so it won't shock the ingredients. Now a half teaspoon of Calabrian chili paste, or your favorite hot sauce. Pour in a couple tablespoons of hot pasta water. And whisk it together until completely blended. Now add the pasta to the bowl. Take a moment to subscribe to our Quick Recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
And mix the pasta thoroughly. Add coarse black pepper to taste. Take the breadcrumb mixture directly from the pan and add it to the bowl of pasta. And give it all a good mix. Since we're adding 6 tablespoons of pecorino romano cheese, which tends to be salty, no additional salt is necessary. A quarter cup of finely chopped fresh parsley finishes it off. And give it all a good final mixing. Here's the list of ingredients for your pasta with breadcrumbs. Start with a good amount of extra virgin olive oil. 10 anchovies finely chopped. Half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake. 1 tablespoon seafood bouillon or fish sauce. 6 cloves of fresh garlic finely chopped. 2 eggs separated with the yolks only. Half teaspoon Calabrian chili paste, or your favorite hot sauce. 6 tablespoons of pecorino romano cheese grated. A quarter cup of fresh parsley finely chopped. 1/4 cup of kosher salt for pasta water. 1 pound of your favorite long pasta. Coarse black pepper for seasoning to taste. And 1 medium lemon cut in wedges, and served with each dish to be squeezed as liberally as the guests want.
You can review the list in the Show More section below.
Drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Delicious.
Bon appetit. Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.